Let me guide you through our process for mapping damages and repairs. First, we thoroughly examine each case, reviewing every item on the den and buckle list. We cross-reference historical data, aircraft manuals, and damage reports to allocate each damage accurately. Next, we consult with the team to confirm any updates before moving forward to the customization phase. In this step, we ensure that all relevant information from the technical documentation of each event is included. We then customize the final sheet, making adjustments such as line thickness, color, and other visual elements to ensure clarity and precision.